Hello, hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome back once again. Last time also we did one webinar, but unfortunately that time recording was not well. But yes, this time I came up with some new thoughts, some new ideas. Okay, and this time let's see. We will do something. We will share something great ideas about your training and internship. Okay, so before starting, let's move to the agenda. So, what is my agenda here right now? My agenda is very clear about your training and internship. Okay, this summer training and internship, how this is going to be beneficial for you. So many of you are asking me, sir, what is internship opportunity? What is training opportunity? Sir, my college is asking for internship. How I am eligible for internship? So there are a lot of doubts, lot of thoughts among pursuing second year and third year engineering students from electronics and electrical backgrounds. Okay, so first let's go through some agenda, and I will show the presentation. Okay, and later on I will take your questions. Your questions you can share your questions on chat, or if you want to talk, you can talk to us also. Okay, back to agenda. What is your internship in core electronics? Many of you are asking. We will discuss in detail why participate why to participate in internship in core electronics. What is the importance of participation in your career? Third, how to find an internship in core electronics. This is very important, very important, because many of you are clueless about these things. Then what tasks to perform during an internship, like what objective we have to do, what type of activities we are going to do in internship, where to search for the internship opportunity. This is almost a very tough job for an any second year and third year engineering students from electronics and electricals. Then difference between training and internship. And last, what are the opportunities available after completing the internship? So this is our agenda. Okay, so welcome again. Myself, Vaibhav Mishra. Okay, this is my journey, or you can see I'm a 21 year of experience in this domain, and I'm a founder of Pine Training Academy. Along with that, I'm a co-founder of an OJS Technology. Basically, OJS is an R&D company working on FPGA. We have a team of 25 people, and we are developing a product for Indian defense. Elevate is also in R&D business, and we are developing the product using ML, AI, data science, and all these things. And we are developing a product based on applications like smart city, agriculture, okay, and many things. And in last, Tegaditya, which is basically a new startup, and we are basically providing the consultancy that we are giving the experienced manpower to the industry. Okay, so the first question I have already mentioned here. First question: what is an internship in core electronics? So basically, what is internship? Internship is to develop or to be a part of some innovation, or to be a part of some some research and development. Okay, where you use your existing knowledge to develop some product based on your learning or based on your domain. Your domain is in electronics and electrical. So this is called an internship basically. Okay, based on your learning, whatever you have learned in your BTech in second year, third year. Okay, so you can basically use those skills to develop some product. Okay, in some given time, or to develop some little bit part of that product in given time. Okay, now what are the domain? Okay, we will discuss, but again, I have mentioned a few things here, like where you can do some internship, like in VLSI, like integrated circuit, sensors, okay, processors, GPU. Then second thing is that about your data science, ML, AI, and Python. Basically, many of you think that ML, AI, data science, and Python are part of non-core. Yes, it is, but it is also a part of our domain. why, where, and when. When you are going to start using the some hardware, okay, like processor, okay, then you are a part of the core team, okay. Then hardware base. This is something different. This is something different. Hardware. I'm talking about microcontroller. I'm talking about PCB design. Okay, so basically those things comes under the hardware. Okay, so these are the three segments where you people can do some innovation. Okay, and that comes under the internship. Okay, again, before moving to the next slide, this internship is basically used for freshers. Okay, freshers who are those freshers? Freshers who basically complete their BTech. Okay, complete their BTech in their completed their BTech in second year or third year, and basically they are now eligible to join the industry. Okay, so this is about internship. Okay, second second question: why participate in internship in core electronics? Very important. Before internship, okay, many of you like me and my friends or some unknown people who are already part of this industry, okay. So this industry is basically divided into a few things. I'm just talking about the top level domain. I'm not going inside it, okay. So the top level domains like FPGA, ASIC verification, physical design, ASIC design and layout, embedded system, and DFT. So basically these are the top level domains. Okay, so you have to participate in these domains to develop the to develop some real-time applications which generally you and me are using in our real-time life. Okay, so these are the things. Basically, these are the top domains. Now, why participate? One thing which is almost clear to everyone, to earn some money. Okay, because you need some experience. That's why you want to participate in internship, and because of that internship you want to get some job. Okay, this is actually a real mindset. Okay, so that is why the internship came in picture. So internship means during your fresher stage, when you are zero, when you are passed out, at that time, you based on your learning, you got some opportunity to work in a core companies who are working in this domain, and you develop some product, okay, or part of some product development. Okay, so why participate? To earn some experience. So based on your experience, you start moving, you start earning and learning both. Okay, so this is very important. You need to understand why participate in internship. I don't want to go in more detail because I have to cover a lot of slides, and then I have to take your questions. Now, third question: how to find an internship in core electronics? This is very important. How to find an internship in core electronics? Again, many of you are struggling, sir. How to get an internship in core electronics? Okay, everyone is running behind some companies or going and exploring and sending the resume. Okay, and again they are following their college schedules because college asks them to do some internship in your summer training and to come up with some letters, etc., etc. Okay, now according to me, when you are in when you have opted for BTech, okay, according to me, you have to plan from the first day that okay, I have to do some internship. Okay, so the internship, how to start or how to work for the internship, that is actually very important question. Okay, so if I'm talking about a VLSI domain, okay, if I'm talking about the VLSI domain, okay, you have to follow some roadmap. Okay, the roadmap is like this. Whenever you are in second year, right? Whenever you are in second year, you started your journey with your first year. First year is just an extension of class 12. Okay, in second year, real engineering start. Okay, so real engineering start with your digital. Okay, so according to me, this is my idea. Okay, this is not I'm not taking idea of any other, but digital is part of our third sem. Start focusing on digital, but not at theory level. Start focusing on digital practical level. Like for example, you are reading analog and digital. Sorry, Your in digital you are reading, or you learned uh, adder, subtractor, multiplexer, demultiplexer, okay, multiplier, 2s complement, encoder, decoder, flip flop, latches, counter, shift registers. Okay, don't don't work for your numbers. Basically, work. Try to find out how to make some real time project using those gates. Then, what are the challenges you face in hardware digital design? Then move to Verilog. Okay, one more thing. In this entire world, whatever you are using to make your life comfortable, like your TV, mobile, okay, anything which is made up of semiconductor, the first step is design is designing, and designing through some SGL language. That SGL language known as Verilog and VSTL. No other language used. Okay. So first come is your language, Verilog and VSTL, and 95% people from second year, third year are not aware. If they are aware, then they only know only 10, 15 lines of code. Okay. So no one will give you the internship if you know only 10, 15 lines of code. Okay. So this Verilog, SGL, and some part of analog. Again, the winter and summer will be the part of the winter is a part of the second year, and summer is a part of your completing of your third year. Oh, sorry, completing of your second year. So this during this period, again, you have exposure of Verilog, you have exposure of FPGA, you have exposure of digital. Start finding out some company based on this domain. Share your resume with some real time project and ask for the internship. Definitely definitely the industry will come back to you, but something in your resume, it should be not like your shadi ka biodata. Okay, where you are just putting the objective, just putting your academic. No, put some project, whatever you have faced, how you have resolved it, which device you have used, what is your learning, what is your failure. Write those things in your resume. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, now third year, starting of third year, go for level 2, VHDL, Verilog, analog, C++ programming. Again, the question will ask, sir, how to do, when to do. You have out of 365 days, please invest 30 minutes per day, only in 300 days. You will definitely have something in your resume. Okay. So again, after completing of third year or within third year, you have a winter break and you have a summer. Okay, so this is how you are getting the knowledge and you are participating in some internship, real internship. As I mentioned earlier, uh, why why to participate, to develop some product, and developing of the product is not just knowing the basic things. Developing a product based on the knowledge of the real things, and the real things is your Verilog, VHDL, C++. Okay, next, this is something different. I'm not talking about this. Okay, this is in just one line. If you're aware of these two things, you are going to choose your domain, like which domain you are comfortable, like in analog, digital, or programming. Then choose any one domain, go again for 1 year, complete learning, and then definitely you are eligible for some placement. So this is the roadmap which generally I share with my students. Again, the sharing of this page is just only to let you know that where and when you can do the internship. Okay. Now this is for embedded. Again, embedded, when I'm talking earlier was for VLSI, this is for embedded. Here the difference is between Verilog VSGL, here you have C and embedded C. Okay, digital and analog will be the same. And entry of ML, AI, Python, and PCB double layer. So again, you have an opportunity to work on internship in some other segment, some other domains. Okay. Again, in fourth year, choose anyone based on your interest and go for the placement. Okay. Now, very important slides. What task to perform during an internship in core electronics? Please note this. What task to perform during an internship in core electronics? Very simple. In VLSI, in front end, back end. In front end, if I'm talking about Verilog and VHDL, if you know the Verilog and VHDL, definitely you are going to work on that. Okay. So basically, a front end divided into two parts, design and verification. So design means Verilog and VHDL, and verification means if you have a knowledge of SV UVM, definitely you have to identify the companies who are giving this opportunity. Okay, so there are many Indian companies who are really working on this segment. Okay, and you are the real asset for them, right? But again, knowing 10, 15 lines of code, definitely you will not get any opportunity. And in backend, knowledge of circuit design and layout and testing and validation of those circuit and layouts. Okay, then embedded C and embedded C. Okay, knowledge of interfaces. There are many interfaces, but I mentioned only few like UART, LCD, motor. If you know SPI, I2C, PWM, timers, definitely you are getting an opportunity to be a part of some embedded based company for 1 month or for 2 months. And in last, I have in MLAI, okay, here basically I have to write, it's repeated here. Basically, here I have to write, if you know the Python, okay, if you know the Python, you can control FPGAs. If you know the C, you can control the FPGAs and microcontrollers. Okay, so MLAI is also now part of our domain. Okay, now last, now second last, where to search, where to search for internship opportunities in core electronics. Where to search for internship opportunity in core electronics. Again, there are many Indian FPGA companies. Okay, many means in India now a trend is DRDO is basically outsourcing their project to many Indian companies. I can name some companies like Astra, Mistral, Corel, my own company, Ojas Technology, then Centrum, Canes, okay, Tejas Network. There are many small and big players are part of the industry. Go and find out. Okay, just like you go and find out whenever you are planning some tour, or whenever you're looking for some mobile. Okay, you always use the internet to find out the good gadget. Go and find out. Okay, I know the Verilog and VHDL, which company is giving me or providing me the opportunity. Go and find out. If you don't know, let me know. I will share. Even I have shared. In next slide, you will come to know some companies' name. Indian embedded companies. Again, FPGA companies are 100 in numbers, 100 or 200 in numbers. But embedded companies are 1,000 in numbers from north to south, east to west. Okay, because it is easy to start with embedded companies, with the embedded product development. So everyone is crying. MSME is totally crying for they are not getting the good resource. Our engineering sectors are sorry to use, but they have failed to provide good resource because of many things. I don't want to name it here, but yes. But after all, these students who are responsible for this, not any college. Okay, so go and find out. Okay, in Sector 62, Sector 63, here in Noida, you will get some 100 companies who are working on different segments in embedded. Okay, IoT, you you know what is IoT. Okay, now Indian VLSI companies. Again, the person who invested their 20 years in their life, now they are developing their own companies. They are a founder of own VLSI companies who are a part of some chipset. Okay, and still in India is providing the huge number of service employee to many product companies in India. Okay, like Qualcomm, like your AMD. Okay, so Samsung. Okay, around 20 to 30 product companies are here. So in India, many services company are there who are providing the good resources to this industry. But again, you people are you people have to think and have to find out what are those companies who are providing the or who can help you to getting the internship based on your knowledge. Again, knowledge is very important. You should know in VLSI, you should know RC, you should know network, you should know how MOSFET is working, you should know how op-amp is working. Everything you should know from the design point of view. Okay, just upar ki knowledge will not help you to get a job in VLSI. Okay, and in last, PCB companies. PCB is a backbone. You remember this. You should know this. PCB is a backbone. आप कितना भी आईसी बना लो, राइट? यू आप कितना भी अच्छा वीएलएसआई कंपनी बना लो, आप कितना भी अच्छा एफपीजीए प्रोडक्ट डेवलप कर लो, आप कितना भी अच्छा आप माइक्रो कंट्रोलर पे काम कर लो, बट एक अच्छा पीसीबी इंजीनियर नहीं होगा जो उन आईसीज को सही तरीके से सारे एरर फ्री कर सके, ठीक है? नो पावर एरर्स, नो नॉइज, नथिंग, तो वो नहीं चल पाएगा। ओके, सो पीसीबी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई थिंक पीसीबी में बहुत सारे टैलेंट इंजीनियर्स की जरूरत है, बट उसके लिए यू हैव टू डेवलप द इंटरेस्ट। ओके, डोंट रन फॉर द मनी, run for the profile or knowledge. Again, in second year, third year, you have to invest yourself. You have to invest yourself, okay, in learning. Now, what is basic difference between training and internship in electronics? This is very important. What I am doing right now, okay, as an founder, as an entrepreneur, okay, what I am doing. I have my own R&D company, but my job is to bring the industry closer to academy. Okay. And my academia is my pioneering academy where I am getting so many engineers from nearby engineering colleges. But again, those students are not trained on some domain. So basically, my job is to give them some knowledge based on their interests. Okay. So what is training? Training is a person who is sitting here, standing here, and providing the knowledge to you based on your Verilog, VHDL, analog, C, embedded C, everything. It's a hand holding. Okay, based on some modules, based on some modules. And again, if you remember my previous slide, those knowledge required to develop some product. Okay, so based on some knowledge, based on some hand holding is required. Okay, because out of 10, only 2 or 3, 4 people are really very intelligent. But again, I'm not saying next 6 are not intelligent, but they can be intelligent by practicing. Okay, so this is a segment C, handhold learning, module based learning, and instructor led session. Basically, it comes under the training. Now, the college has taught you digital, college has taught you amplifier, college has taught you transistors. Okay, college has taught you even also wireless communication, wired communication, amplitude modulation, वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, now those are the applications. Okay, so based on this, you can go for an internship. Okay, so if you don't know the Verilog and VHDL, if you have never written a code of 500 lines, 600 lines, definitely you are not getting any opportunity. Okay, so what is internship? No hand holding. Okay, you are claiming, sir, I know the Verilog. I have implemented the UART. I have implemented this sensor. I have implemented the ADC, DSC. Okay, using the Verilog and VHDL, sir, I have implemented the FIR filter on FPGA. Oh, very good. Come. So I will not give you any hand holding. I will give you the task. This is a data sheet. Read it and implement it. Come with the doubt. No support for any type of sharing the knowledge because manager or instructor or mentor or working employee of any company is already busy with lot of projects. Okay, task-based learning. Again, you opted some company. Okay, they will give you the task. Okay, this is the task. Okay, you know this circuit design. Okay, take this data, take this IEEE data, and implement it as per my requirement. That is called a task-based learning. Again, the knowledge of 2 years is very important. And performance-based measurement. Again, in training, yes, everyone is getting benefited if he or she is performing or not. But in company, you will get only opportunity to move further based on your performance. Okay. So that is called internship and that is called training. So again, guys, you have to identify, you have to understand. Okay. You have to understand what is training and what is internship. So basically, I am providing the training, and based on their learning, I am providing the internship to some people who are really interested. Okay. Then again, see the company's name. I have mentioned only 10% company's name. If you see tier one, forget. the tier 3 college student, because my approach is only to tier 3 only. I don't have any access to tier 1. So, very openly, you will not get any opportunity in tier 1 companies. But yes, in tier 3 students, definitely you will get opportunity in every Indian VLSI, FPGA, embedded PCB companies, because people are looking for you. Now, come to the my part, what I'm doing right now. Okay, so this is all about the 6 questions. Okay, we will take questions soon. Okay, let me finish this. So I'm going to launch a project-based driven summer internship program. Okay, already a part of already initiated. Some colleges, some students are already have started learning based on VLSI hardware. Again, VLSI, this is backend, this is front end, this is hardware, C embedded C. And again, hardware means ML AI using Python. Okay, and this is the PCB fundamentals. So if you want to learn something, okay, these are the few things which is a part of your core electronics. Now, about PinE, I mentioned 2014. I started PinE 2014. Objective and mission is very clear, to provide the trained resources in fresher profile who can go and take the participate in real time project, and definitely they should start learn and earn for their families. Okay. Now, based on summer training, here is a roadmap. The enrollment is now open. Pick your training. Okay. Project like based on your field. Choose your field. Appear for certification after completing the training. Appear for certification. If you are really interested to go for an internship, again, now, okay, now I'll take one. I just forget to share you one information. This is still fine. And if you want to go for some internship project, I will request my OJS team to provide you some real-time project. And based on your learning, you have to go and show your project. Like recently, I have showcased 2 projects in LinkedIn, where a group from MSIT and group from JIT, they have developed some real-time project, and they have shown their project to OJS team. I will show you. I will send you those articles to you. And now they are uh, applicable for certification from OJS technology. Okay, again, if you don't want to go for internship, you don't have much time, you have some other objectives like appearing for IT companies or appearing for GATE, CAT, whatever. You can opt till this to show some training or letter in your college. Okay. Okay, slide is very important. So here you will get exposure of tools, board based on your hardware learning. On analog side, you will get exposure of cadence tool. On PCB side, you will get exposure of this. And on machine learning side, you will get exposure of PinE. PinE is basically an FPGA, which having a SoC, and which SoC having the Ubuntu platform where all libraries of Python is installed. So you guys are running for Python, Python, Python. Now it's time to learn Python based on Distar. If you're interested, if you are really want to learn what is actually a Python, okay, then start learning with help of your Distar. Okay. Now, this is just a glimpse. I'm not showcasing myself here, but I want to give you the real picture. See, the students are exploring those 6 points, as I mentioned. 6 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which I mentioned. Okay, and they received a certificate after clearing the certification test. And if their percentage is 60 to between 60 to 69, I'm going to mark it. Okay, I'm not going to give a certificate under the table, because that is not look good. Because if you don't know the NAND gates and if you're using the name of PinE, then definitely it's a question on me. So if you really perform, then only you will get the certificate. So you have to earn the certificate. You don't have to beg the certificate. Okay, like this. These are the people who have earned the certificates, whatever the percentage. They They never come and say, sir, my percentage is less, please take retest. No. Whatever the percentage, if above 60, they accepted it and they submitted in their college. Okay. Again, industry visit. Many of you are asking for industry visit. I'm taking those people to my company, OJS Technology, where my engineers are from OJS Technology, my team members who are part of the PINE, now they are part of the OJS, okay, and they are developing the real product. Okay, they are helping me because my mentor has made me. Now it is time to revert back, to return back. So yes, they are very friendly for every Pine trainees. Okay, so they share their knowledge, what product they are developing, etc. You can see here. Okay, this is the one product which developed by my team. Okay, now again, what is the best thing you will achieve by taking the training? You have a good profile in LinkedIn. Basically, you everyone having Facebook and Instagram, but very few, or yes, you have, but it's just for use. Okay, you are not mentioning the project. See how people are mentioning the project. Okay, and yes, I forget to mention after taking the training from Pine, basically I asked them to, okay, you are interested to go for internship? They say yes. Last year I gave 12 projects to 12 group and only two group fought very well. And they have shown their demo to my OJS team members. So this is a MSIT team, Ayushi and Karthik and Subrat and Rashid, who has shown the project. They have developed the traffic light controller. Okay, but they have implemented the real time clocking on VGA. I will share details with you. And here a GIT team, Pranjal, Maulik, and Asta, they have developed the real-time ALU, okay, and they have shown those ALU application implementation, real sign implementation on VGA. So these two projects they have developed using the Verilog, implemented on FPGA, and they have learned UART interfaces, VGA interfaces, keyboard interfaces, LCD interfaces, and SSD and LEDs are very basics. So now these type of interfaces are available in their resume. So definitely, if they are going to float it, or any company or any company appearing in their college for internship drive, they are going to select 100%. Okay, so this is okay. Not this is a letter of participation and completion of successful project from OJS Technology. So this type of letter they will receive from us. And okay, this is something I mentioned here. Some success stories of Fine Training Academy. Like in fourth year, after completing their training, they have opted some like final full-time learning in complete their fourth year. So you can see here we have placed more than 750 placement, 750 people, 750 trainees till date. Out of those, 78 in Synopsys, 40 in Cadence, 2 plus in Intel, 30 plus in Sencal, now is SCL Semiconductor, and 25 plus in Circuit Sutra, 35 plus in Vervi Semi, the Indian product company. And here, this is also an Indian company. This is also an Indian company. These two are MNCs, three are MNCs. Okay. Keenheads, Indian company. Yoctogen, Indian companies. Alton Calsoft is an MNC. And Synapse. Okay. Overall, this is overall numbers. These are the names. So opportunities. I'm talking to the opportunities. After completing the internship, you have an idea. Okay, I want to go in analog. I want to go in digital. I want to go in embedded, etc., etc. So these are the companies who are waiting for you, actually. Okay, so if you have any questions, please write in a chat box. I am going to take up your questions. We have only 5 minutes, so please let me know. Any question from anyone? Okay, sir, can I join from 5th of June? Will I miss some part? No, dear. You are most welcome. Okay, I've already floated a form, so you can fill the form and let me know on email that when you are available, and whatever is left, we will take care of it. You don't need to worry. And also, we are also providing the recording also. So if you left something, we will provide you the recording, and you can go through that and you can cover it. Yes. Any other question? Last time, many of them have asked very good question. Sir, how to join the training? I will share you the I will share you the format. You have to go and register first, and let us know which date you are interested or which month you are interested. Basically, there are 3 months: April, May, June, July. So choose any one month, and then let me know whenever your exam is over. You can ping me, and I will take you in the course. When the classes will start? The classes is already running for those people who are finished with the papers. Okay, we have started one batch today from Sharda University. Similarly, some other colleges, mix of students are also planning to join. So I will, in this email chain, I will share you the again all the details. Duration of training: 30 days to 45 days. Okay, based on modules, whatever you are choosing, my recommendation is go for analog, digital, and programming modules. That is, your analog means RC network and basic of circuit design and layout. And then digital means hardware design on FPGA and Verilog design on FPGA. So these three modules will take 30 to 45 days, 2 hours per day, alternate days based or daily based, including your Saturday and Sunday. Classes weekends पे होंगी या sir regular? Both batches are available. Okay, regular batches is preferable. Offline, okay. If some are not available on offline in regular weekdays, they are available on weekends. So you are most welcome, but you have to come and let me know so that I can make some batch on weekend also. Okay. Any other questions? Because we have to finish this session. Okay. One more thing I missed in VLSI and in embedded. Please remember this. Many companies want students once they are complete pass out. Okay, because they don't want to take any people who are part of the college and asking for leaves for their exam, for project presentation, for sessionals. So basically, this is going to disturb a lot. So please make a mindset that you want to do internship after completing of the BTech, because after that there is no gap, means there is no disturbance. Yes, if I have been getting in any queries, I am free call you, sir. At what time? You can take my WhatsApp number. My number is 9990 37484 9990. Abhinay, please type my number in a group. You can take my number. You can call, और जिस email ID से आपको mail आई है, आप उस पे mail drop कर दो, and then I will talk to you, or you can also talk to me, and or you just drop an email. I will reply. What will be the running time for each classes? Minimum 2 hours I need, 1.5 to 2 hours, but later on you can stay back and complete your task. Okay, good. Anything about machine learning like Python? What about fees? Okay, fees, yes, this is not uh, free courses, because you know that always some investment is required on both sides. Okay, so fees is already mentioned in the Google form. Fees is like digital analog is 5,900. Basically, I have mentioned each and everything in Google form. Your fees plus your course curriculum, everything I have mentioned in a Google form. So 5,900 clubbing the two modules. Any extra modules means 2,950. Okay, how to get recorded videos when you are part of the batch and when you start the course, and I'm feeling you are and I'm feeling that yes, and I have a confidence in you. Yes, you are going to start the training. Then I will give you the recorded session. The recording session is not just to skip the main class. Recording session is for you to help to revise the topic if you forget something. That is my objective. Okay, the recording class is not just for a namesake. Okay, it is going to help many of them when they are missed something or they have not attended the class because of any reason. Okay, good. Any other questions? How to get? Okay, no questions now. Do you have library at your training center? Yes, we have. Okay, it is just in front of me, but we provide books only for center, not to take outside. Good. Where are you from? I am from UP Sultanpur, my hometown, native place. Okay, I completed my BTech from Lucknow. Okay, and started my journey from an Indian company in as an application engineer. 10 years I work, and then I open my own startups. Prashant Dhani. So currently I'm in Sector 62, Noida. Location of training academy, Sector 62, Noida. Okay, I'm situated at institutional area in Sector 62, which is very famous. Nearby me and Akash, Fiji, Ellen, Physicswala, everything. So similarly, I'm at same place. Sir, what are the timing of the offline class? Starting from 10, morning 10 to 12, the next batch 12:30 to 2:30, then from 3 to 5 p.m. In this way, we are going to make the batch. Jatin. Okay. Anyone else? Okay. So if you have any doubt, I'm going to end the meeting. If you have any doubt, anything, please send an email. If you have received the email, it's good. Drop an email, reply to all. Okay. And then I will reply to you. Or if you're part of WhatsApp group, okay. If you're part of WhatsApp group, let's talk there. Okay. I'm going to resolve your doubts. Okay. So this is all from my side. And thank you very much. Thank you once again for giving this opportunity to present my objective, whatever I am doing, achieving on your behalf. I'm industry is really appreciating our efforts, and pioneers from this academy are doing a lot of good development in their companies. Okay, so this is all from my side. Thank you very much. Bye.